Calgary Police Service (CPS), formed in 1885, is the municipal police force for the City of Calgary, Alberta, Canada organization. The force was founded on February 7, 1885. The first chief was Jack Ingram, who supervised 2 constables. Past chiefs include Christine Silverberg, the first female police chief in Canada. The current head of the CPS is Chief Roger Chaffin. CPS is divided into sections: Administration, Chief Crowfoot Learning Center, Community and Youth Services, Community Liaison, Criminal Operations, Finance, Fleet and Facilities, Human Resources, Information Communication Technology Section, Investigation Support, Major Crimes, Operations Audit, Organized Crime Control, Professional Standards, Real-Time Operations Center, Support, Traffic Services. In 1993, as a direct result of the hit-and-run death of Constable Rick Sonnenberg, the Helicopter Air Watch for Community Safety, or HAWCS unit was created, and the Calgary Police Service became the first law enforcement agency in Canada to incorporate the use of air support into its routine operations. In 2006, the unit was expanded when a second helicopter was purchased. A regional shortage of police recruits had previously led the Calgary Police Service to recruit officers from other international forces, especially the UK. To facilitate this, Canadian citizenship, a permanent resident status, wasn't a prerequisite to apply, though a successful application was hinged on previous police experience. For a recruit application today, the Calgary Police Service has reinstated the requirement to have Canadian citizenship, landed immigrant status, a permanent resident status. Rank structure. The service also employs community peace officers. These officers are not police officers, however have limited provincial statute authority. Some are uniformed and operate the photo radar and CPS internal tow service. Others are not uniformed and work in administrative duties involving limited investigations. Fatality is in the line of duty. Since its creation, the CPS has lost 11 officers in the line of duty. 1917 Constable Arthur Duncan. 1933 Inspector Joe Carruthers. 1941 Constable Wilf Cox. 1957 Constable Ken Delmage. 1974 Detective Boyd Davidson. 1976 Staff Sergeant Keith Harrison. 1977 Constable Bill Shelever. 1992 Constable Rob Vanderweel. 1993 Constable Rick Sonnenberg. 2000 Constable John Petropoulos. 2001 Constable Darren Beatty. Fleet Patrol Dodge Charger, Ford Crown Victoria, Ford Explorer Interceptor Utility, Ford F-150, and Ford Taurus Interceptor Sedan for patrol officers. Chevrolet Colorado, Dodge Charger, Dodge Ram, Ford Crown Victoria, Ford Explorer and Ford F-150 as unmarked traffic units. Chevrolet Silverado HD and Ford F-350 as truck units. Chevrolet Express, Ford E-Series and Ford Transit vans for suspect transport and general patrol. Unmarked units typically use black painted steel wheels with center caps, except the unmarked Dodge Herd Caravan and 2012 Dodge Charger, which have factory alloy wheels. Unmarked Ford F-150 units typically have silver-colored headache racks. Unmarked Ford Explorer is black with tinted windows. Unmarked Dodge Ram 1500 has a toolbox in the truck bed. Unmarked vehicles never have any dealer decals of any type, and have a black fleet license plate sticker. Tactical and AMP Special Use Chevrolet Suburban Police Package, Ford Excursion, Ford F-250, and Mercedes Sprinter used as unmarked units for the tactical team. Chevrolet Suburban, Ford Crown Victoria, and GMC Yukon used for K-9 officers. Ahmet Balkan Mk7 used as a heavily armored vehicle for the tactical team. Freightliner M2-106 Mobile Command Vehicle, Ford Escape, Ford Explorer, and Ford F-150 unmarked photo radar multi-nova units, aircraft, motorcycles, other vehicles, Eurocopter EC-120B, HAWCS units, HAWC-1 and HAWC-2, MD helicopters, MD-520N, former HAWC unit no longer in use. Harley-Davidson FLHTP motorcycle unit, Hummer H2 and AMP H3 for PR and recruiting, Smart 42 for the youth education program. 2013 flood. In June 2013, Alberta experienced heavy rainfall that triggered catastrophic flooding throughout much of the southern half of the province along the Bow, Elbow, Highwood, Oldman, and Red Deer rivers and tributaries. 24 municipalities declared local states of emergency as water levels rose and numerous communities were placed under evacuation orders. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police stated 4 people may have drowned near High River. Over 100,000 people have been displaced throughout the region. Calgary Police's Twitter account was locked when it reached its daily limit. Crime. The Calgary Census metropolitan area had a crime severity index of 60.4 in 2013, which is lower than the national average of 68.7. A slight majority of the other CMAs in Canada had crime severity indexes greater than Calgary's, 60.4. Calgary had the 6th most homicides in 2013 at 24.